coming in hot, like oh my god. Give everything I got, that net on every shot. I know what I like, Manhattan on the flight, the captain of the hype, I'm everybody's type. Hello, I got that control, welcome to my show, here we go. Just watch me now. Just watch me now. Just watch me now.
Happiest birthday, Baby Dane. So, officially, you're an adult now. Pero I know, baby ka pa at heart. Pero welcome to the club, I guess. Adulting will not be easy. Maraming challenges. Pero for sure, marami ring fun times. Pero no matter what, please remember that I'll always be here. Ate will always be here. Ayun lang, I love you and enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Dane! We love you!
Ladies and gentlemen, our birthday girl, Miss Dane Louise Romero!
Happy birthday, Nak! Ngayong 18 ka na, dapat lagi mo nang iisipin kung ano yung mas maganda at mas makakabuti sa yung mga desisyon. Isa lang naman ang lagi ko sinasabi sa'yo, paging mabuting tao ka at isipin mo lagi yung ikabubuti ng iba, hindi ikabubuti mo. At doon lahat makukuha mo mas magaganda para sa'yo.
Happy birthday, Dane! We wish you all the best. Love you!
When I told you that I loved you, well, I never would have guessed that you'd end up loving me too. Then, well, you know the rest. In that morning, birds were chirping and the grass was wet with dew. There and then, I saw the world from a different point of view.
Words cannot describe everything. You've grown so much. Our childhood days up to this beautiful and magnificent day. Naalala mo ba nung grade 6 ka? Sobrang kalog pa natin that time, di ba? So yun, ito talaga yung ebidensya din na hindi na tayo bumabata. So yun, I love you and I miss you. Happy birthday!
Felt a love like this before.
Hi Dane! So, happy adulthood. My piece of advice for you is, ayun, find your balance between your peace and your fulfillment. Kasi, hindi mo kasi malalaman, mahirap malaman kung kailan ka mag-strive hard, kung kailan ka mag-step back. Pero kasi, learn to prioritize yourself. Kasi, at the end of the day, ikaw ang mag-isa ka dyang magde-decide. Nandito man kami para tumulong, to support you always. Pero ikaw pa rin magde-decide who you will be, what will happen in your life, kung ano yung mga gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo. Yun lang. Love you.
Dane, happy birthday. Bago mo na mag-shot, sa mo ng eh! Shot mo, no!
Storm is raging right outside.
Happy 18th birthday, anak. mahal na mahal ka namin. Ngayon dalaga ka namin, maging matapang ka sa iyong hinaharap. Pero sa katapangan na yun, huwag mong kalimutang maging mapagkumbaba. At yun, ang makakabuti sa iyo. We love you, anak.
But in the end, I know we'll find